So it's called metal firecracker, which is a slang term for a tour bus. Oh my god, and it's got my favorite chord in the world, an E minor ninth. And it's such a tiny little chord, but it packs a big punch.
I'm partial to Lydian flat 7, but
this is better, and I can make it. Just like that. And if Glenn wants to play, we can. Once we rode together in a metal firecracker. You said I was your queen. You said I was your biker. You said that I would always be your girl. Once I was in your blood and you were obsessed with me. You wanted to paint my picture. You wanted to undress me. You wanted to see me in your future. And all I ask is don't tell anybody the secret. Don't tell anybody the secret that I told you. Don't tell anybody the secret, Marianne. Don't tell anybody the secret I told you. And once you held me so tight, I thought I'd lose my mind. You said I rocked your world. You said it was for all time. You said I would always be your girl. And we put on ZZ Top and turn 'em up real loud. And I used to think you were strong. I used to think you were proud. I used to think that nothing could go wrong. And all I ask is don't tell anybody the secret. Don't tell anybody the secret that I told you. All I ask is don't tell anybody the secret.